Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with a new video. Have you ever heard about COVID-19? I bet you have, since it's already affected a lot of people around the world. One other way to prevent us to get infected is by using the hand sanitizer. Most people will buy the mini version and make it for their own personal use. But how about those public hand sanitizer that have been prepared at the hospital or at the fast food franchise? Most people who goes there will surely use it cause why not? It's free. But have you ever thought that if it's a public use, so it's mean many people would touch it. Some of them might be the one who's spreading the virus. In this video, I will show you one alternative way to prevent it from happening by making an automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. Make your own automatic hand sanitizer dispenser. It's not difficult. Let's get into it. I will paste the program in the description below. Let's take a look at the program. First, I include the library for the servo and name it as puncher. Then, write an input telling that the servo is attached at pin 6. After that, I put a variable telling that echo is attached at pin 8 and trigger attached at pin 7. Next is LED spin, which is red at pin 3 and green at pin 2. For this thing, it's called a calling function, where it can be used if you get into a situation where your coding get really messy and you want it to properly arrange. It is by typing the code at the other tab or just compile all the other function at bottom and just call it after. For this, I'm using the if-else function to tell the program that if the ultrasonic reading below 10, then only it will run the program in the if column. Other than that value, it will run the else program. Okay, let's send this program into our Arduino. Thanks for watching and do subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to get in touch with my new video. Have a good day and stay healthy.